Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a video that is going to show you how to actually enable and disable the startup items like you did in the old versions of Windows. Now, in Windows, since probably Windows XP and even before, I don't remember well, but I think even in Windows 98 that was available. We had that MS config, which is the Microsoft config item, where we would go to the startup tab and disable all the programs that start with the computer. Now this does not work anymore in Windows 8. Actually, if you try to access the MS config, it will tell you, oh, I'm sorry, but this is not the place where it happens anymore. Please go to your task manager to see what is starting up. So if you want to see what starts with your computer and actually disable the startup items, what you need to do is go to your quick access menu. So lower left corner of your screen, right click and go into Task Manager. At the top you have Startup, and here it shows you what is starting up with your computer, so gives you an idea of what's enabled and what is disabled. So what you do is you simply, if you have something that starts with a computer, for example, here's a Google Toolbar Notifier, and it gives you the fact that it's enabled at startup and that it's a high startup impact. So it's interesting because this gives you an idea of what might actually slow down your computer a little more than another. I think it's a great feature to have added the startup impact information, because you know what takes more time to start and what is much faster. If you want to change that option, all you have to do is right click on the option that you don't want the computer to start up anymore, or if it doesn't start, to enable it, and click. If it's enabled and you don't want to disable it, you just click disable, and there it says disabled, which means that by now the Google Toolbar Notifier will be disabled at startup, so it won't start with the computer anymore. So this is where it happens now. This is where everything will be written. So forget about the MS config we had before, Microsoft configuration. That is an old way of doing things. It is over. We now have Toolbar Notifier that I just disabled because it's in the Task Manager and the Startup tab. So every time you want to enable or disable something, that's where you'll have to go. The Task Manager is where it all happens now. You just go to the Startup tab and you right click whatever you want the computer to start or not start, and it's going to actually do whatever you want. So that's the new way of actually enabling or disabling startup items in Windows 8. So long gone are the days of MS config with Windows 8. So if you enjoy these videos or want to learn more about Windows 8, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen. You'll be informed when new videos are online. At least 10 new videos a week. We will try to keep that pace, and eventually you will have hundreds of videos on to do almost anything that you want. If you have any comments or questions, let us know. We'll try to put online any videos if you have requests also. And one last little thing about this video about startup items. I said you can right click on the options that you want to enable or disable, but you also have on the lower right the disable enable button that is written here, so you can actually click on that also. So hope you enjoy these videos and come back to the Windows 8 official channel for more on Windows 8, of course. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.